See who's at your door and chat with them from anywhere with the Sky Protect Video Doorbell. You'll need a broadband connection, a spare Ethernet port on your router, and a nearby power socket. Download the Sky Protect app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and sign in. Tap the plus icon, then select Video Doorbell. Plug the chime into the mains. Then plug your Ethernet cable into your chime and the other end into your router. A blue flashing light will appear. Wait for this light to turn a solid blue. When prompted by the app, push the sync button on the side of the chime to pair it. It could take about a minute or so. Give the chime a name and select the location. Peel back the rubber seal on the back of your doorbell and switch it on. The circular light will light up yellow. Press the chime sync button followed by the video doorbell sync button. Both the chime and the video doorbell will flash yellow and blue whilst pairing. Give the video doorbell a name and select the location. Press the button on your doorbell to test it. You should hear a chime and get a notification from your Sky Protect app. For more information, go to the Help and Support section or use the chat in your Sky Protect app.